Products of Jinan Hydeb Thermotech Company Limited. Main covers flux injection refining unit for furnace, box type degassing unit, launder type degassing unit, and filtration box, and they are widely used in aluminum smelting and casting. Flux injection refining system for furnace injects the flux into the molten aluminum with high purity inert gas as a carrier. The combined action of inert gas and flux brings alkaline metals, impurities, hydrogen adsorption and flotation to the surface of molten aluminum, and finally